Tonight, News 3 has learned that the damage left behind in one Effingham County community was caused by a tornado. The National Weather Service has confirmed that an EF-1 tornado touched down in the Eagle Point subdivision. WSAV News 3's McKenna Cieslak is there getting reaction from homeowners.
I'm here at Riley Court and Wood Duck Way in a residential neighborhood in Springfield, Georgia, where about 20 or so homes have seen the impacts and felt the impacts of Tropical Storm Elsa. I'm going to take a step out of the frame so you can take a look at what we're looking at, which includes trees that have been completely uprooted from people's yards. We've got a group of neighbors out here working to pick up some of the debris that's been left in the streets. The storm started at about 5 p.m. last night when residents say they heard and felt the impact.
I was downstairs, she was upstairs. I just heard the wind really start going. I yelled for her to come down.
Yeah, I was already on my way downstairs because the house was shaking so bad. Yeah.
My house, I have a thing of trimmer line still sitting on the hood of a car that didn't get moved, but it moves a boat and flips it over here. It's insane.
Many residents woke up to their yards filled with debris and miscellaneous items thrown around from the storm. Missing siding from houses, torn down fences, and uprooted trees were also a common sight. One couple was even woken up to a tree through their home.
It was just an adrenaline rush. I was laying in bed and all of a sudden I just heard like a big pressure of wind, and I come running out the room. My daughter's having a sleepover, and I'm screaming for them to hurry up and come get in the closet, and then by the time they even got to the closet, it was done. Our backyard is a complete mess. We have a house or a tree laying on top of our house. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Reporting in Effingham County, McKenna Cieslak, WSAV News 3 on your side.